you are a busy woman who wants to lose weight without having to endure hunger, or to eat only raw food or juices, or having to cook separate meals for yourself and your family and spend hours in the kitchen, listen closely. I have a special program for you. If you are tired of feeling trapped in a body you don't like, tired of feeling bloated and heavy, if you're struggling with creating a healthy routine for weight loss and getting back in shape, I have created the Gentle Weight Loss Cleanse to help you lose up to 25 pounds in 30 days and speed up your metabolism so that you can lose the excess weight without getting stuck in the kitchen or starving. The secret to getting slim and staying slim is reducing inflammation and healing your gut, activating fat-burning hormones. When you join the Gentle Weight Loss Cleanse, you will receive the dietitian-approved 4-week anti-inflammatory meal plans. That's 3 meals and 2 snacks every day for 4 weeks. These meal plans are designed to reset your metabolism, ridding your body of inflammation, bloat, and toxins, helping to heal your gut, activate weight loss hormones, and get you on track to your best body. Unlike other meal plans, you aren't deprived, you won't spend hours in the kitchen, you are allowed carbs, your family can eat the same balanced meals as you, and the ingredients can be bought at your regular supermarket. The reason why you were unable to lose weight is simple: you didn't address the root cause yet. It means that your body doesn't produce the right hormones for weight loss because the inflammation is blocking the weight loss hormones production. And instead of burning all the food that you eat as it should, your body stores this food as fat. This is why if you have issues with your weight loss hormones production, you can starve yourself and work out all day. But your body will still gain weight and you will feel frustrated and exhausted because even though you are doing everything that normally would make you lose weight, your body keeps gaining fat. When you go through the Gentle Weight Loss Cleanse, eating the right amount of real food, eliminating inflammatory foods, your gut starts healing, your body starts producing the weight loss hormones so that you not only lose up to 25 pounds in 30 days, but continue to lose weight after the Gentle Cleanse is over. If you want a plan that is proven to work, join us. We are going to do the program together as a group so that you have all the support you need to succeed. We will start next Sunday at 10 a.m. EST or DST. I am in Montreal, same Eastern time as New York. When you join, you will receive all of the materials, plus we'll have a live weekly class followed by Q&A. Gentle Weight Loss Cleanse is about starting your weight loss journey right. It's the first step to speed up your metabolism and to lose the weight without gaining it back. It will help you to take control of your cravings, to lose interest in junk food, enjoying real food and feeling satisfied with smaller portions. It will help you to reduce big tummy and get rid of bloating by improving digestion. And you are going to gain extra time because you don't have to cook 2 separate meals for yourself and your family. You are going to feel awesome. Slimming down, reclaiming your energy and feeling sexy again without making the process a full-time job. And I will be your instructor. My name is Irina. I'm a weight loss strategist. I help women to lose weight without dieting or doing exhaustive exercises. My clients' ages vary from 25 to 75. They have successfully reached their ideal weight, kept the weight off permanently, stopped the insulin and other medication, regained their health, recovered from depression. They look and feel amazing. But don't wait for too long to join us because I like coaching small groups, and once the group is filled, I close the enrollment. Be aware that you have only a couple of days to join us, and I would love to see you there. Click on the link below to join and see you soon.